Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M35, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now for this you will need a cable that is plugged into your computer. This is so we can boot the device into the recovery mode. Now with that in mind, let's hold our power button and select power off, or there we go. I'm going to choose power off. Disregard the fact that this device was already in a setup stage, which is what we will see after we're finished. I just didn't want to go through the setup for this specific reason. But in any case, once the phone is off, you will grab the cable and then hold power button and volume up at the same time. And when you start holding those two buttons, you want to right away plug in the cable. So power, volume up, and power button, or end cable. Now once you see the Galaxy, you can let go of the power button, and then when you see the recovery mode, you can also let go of the volume up. Now in here, you will need to use the volume buttons to navigate, and with that in mind, select Wipe Data, Factory Reset, confirm it with the power button, and select Factory Data Reset, confirm that. And at the bottom, last thing you will see is the data wipe complete. Once you see this, reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once more. This will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Once the resetting portion is finished, we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.